Hey everybody, welcome back. Frosty donut fresh from the oven or whatever you cook a donut in. Today we're gonna play some Nyan Cat Lost in Space. And
when I died.
okay, cool. Well, here we go. Go classic. No, it's not what I meant to do. Classic play. I don't just play it. How do I play? No.
Never.
No.
No, I only.
Shush. Yay.
Never and so.
Why is the rainbow red?
Evo, Tevo, Fezo. Look who I got, David.
It's Super Nyan Cat.
Believe it.
Whee!
I got my newest character.
What's it called?
It's a new robot. And look it. Look it. Look it. Look at it.
What are you playing? Don't call me that, dude. It's not my name.
Cool.
You can call me that if you want, but I don't play.
Not cool.
200 meters, yes. Let me see if it's still recording. Of course it is. I'm awesome. Love this music. Nyan Cat says. Oh, it's planting flowers. Oh. Jeez. Okay. There we go.
Why is this guy so slow?
Okay. I don't know, Daniel.
Where did I get this?
Oh, there we go. Nyan Cat Lost in Space is fun, you guys. You guys should get it. In the App Store. It might be in the description, I'm not sure. No! I almost died. Whoa, it's slippery for the cat. I don't know if it's he or she. No, big fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows. I missed everything, and that sucks for me. Okay. What the heck? I don't know. I'm not looking. Yeah.
And it has this.
Yep. Nyan. That's cool. I like that. Yes! Super Cat. Super Nyan. Oh no. The energy is so awesome. There we go. Crap. No! I think that... never mind. I was gonna end the video there, but then I changed my mind. Yeah, because I know you guys don't want me to end the video yet. The video's only been a few minutes long. Yes! Oh boy. Did you just say you're jumping over in a Jeep? Blackberry. I'm trying to get all the letters for that. What happened? Oh, it's disco. Oh no. Slippery Nyan.
Name in YouTube.
Oh, I don't know. More no! Oh man. How long have we been recording? 5 minutes. We can go a little longer. I have a little more time. Not that much though. I'll go till 10 minutes. No, I don't know. I'll go for a little longer. Like 8 to 10 minutes. Nyan is hungry. I'll try. There we go. Oh yeah, I got the R. Other R. No, I wanted to go down there to get that letter. Yeah, this is how I roll, boys and girls. Yes. Milk life. What happened to the rainbow? It's all gray. Why? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nyan 1000. No! So close. Try that level again. Well, they're actually not levels. Oh, what is happening? What is happening? Okay. We have here... What's your name, Danielle? I just said it. Daniel. What's your name?
Daniel. Super cat.
Super Nyan. It's called. It's an emergency, guys.
It's the emergency. So then,
Alright, Super Nyan's running out, and it's out.
and let's do, guys, do not
Oh, no!
somebody anymore. They cannot fly.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody?
Okay.
We,
Alright, here we go. We can go a little bit longer. We can go 3 minutes. We can go 3 more minutes, you guys. So, stop touching me, you weirdo. He's touching my butt. That's not funny. That's weird.
Yeah, it's weird.
Stop. Stop touching me with your legs. Weirdo.
Yep.
Why are you guys even in this video?
What?
Why are you guys even in this video?
I'm not.
You're talking, so you're in it. No. No.
What?
I died. Rip. Nyan cat.
Why would you play the game?
Oh, I almost threw up there. That would have been horrifically disgusting.
I do that because I wanted to.
LOL. Oh, I should have gotten those glasses. Nyan. Super Nyan. I'm good at. I think I'm pretty good at this game. You guys should get this game. No! Oh. 2 letters there. Is the trail gonna stay gray forever? Long life milk. Is this never ending?
When are we gonna go home?
Today is Saturday. Dude, that just about wraps it up for this video. Yeah. Fresh Frosty is out. Bye bye.